Alright, can't pass up an opportunity to do a quick video with very little talking. The little fan on my son's Saab 900 SE 1996 was making a lot of noise after the ignition was turned off. Kind of a little whining sound. So I'm going to clean it and oil it. So first thing is you can just basically pull these little buttons off like that. Clipped in. And so there were 3, so this is the 3rd one, which is the little concentric holes that make up the fan inlet. Then I took basically a paint tool like this and slid it right in here, and this actually comes out with very little effort. So if you can see, there it is in. Just basically pull it, it comes right out. Wiggle it a little bit, and you just set that out of the way. Now, the thing with the video that I actually found on this is this sensor. This is the cabin temperature sensor. The guy's not real clear about how to get it out, so I was struggling with that. It's not these 2 side clips right here and here. It's the top and bottom clips. So if you want to get it out, you've got to basically pry this like that. This work. That, and then the other one on the top. And there it popped right out. So, and there's a little film sort of ring around it. I don't think he had that on his, but I guess that seals it. So now what I'm going to do is same thing he did, which is basically go in and blow some dust cleaner inside to get any dust out. And then I'm going to use a drop of sewing machine oil on that little axle, which you can kind of see it has a little rust on it. So another YouTuber mentioned this on one of the forums, and that was that when you clean with the dust cleaner, you want to clean the fan. Let's see if I can get it to. I'm also going to do that after I put the drop of oil in, so that I can work that axle a little bit before I actually put it in. And I'm actually using this Saab spout oiler, sewing machine oil. Just gonna put a little tiny drop, just one tiny drop on there. And then while it's still out of the car, I'm gonna give it another whirl. That should sling any excess oil out, I would think. And just make sure you clean it out real good. Got a lot of duster here. Alright, so now I'm just going to reassemble the same way I took it out, which goes right back in here if you want to kind of clean that off a little bit, I guess, but pop it back in. Put in your climate control unit, just pops back in there like that. And then you've got these little babies that go right in here. They're kind of self-explanatory. They don't really go back any other way. Let's see if this actually may have stopped the whine. So everything's back in pretty simple, pretty fast. Let's see if it actually worked, or maybe I need a new sensor. Who knows? Let's turn this on. So I'm going to run it for a minute. And I should have taken a video before, but it definitely stopped the little whining noise, so highly recommend.